Scott and Tanya Golding, we're from Lake Angelico in central New South Wales. I thought we were running a reasonably good operation, but like anything, there's a lot of room for improvement. Just the whole program for me has been, it's really opened my eyes. My head was spinning last night, it's spinning more tonight, but it's quite exciting, what lays ahead. Probably for me there was two things that really hit home. The first one was Westy saying he wanted to be in that 1%. To me, I want to be in that 1%. I really want to drive the business, be productive and be in that 1%. And the other one was we choose to do this, we choose to be producers. So I guess, you can always look for the obstacles, you can try and overcome them, and I guess that's the way I've always been. I've said that for a long time, we choose to be farmers, so instead of complaining about what's not going right, make a difference and try and make things better. Yeah, we want to expand, so that's our first challenge. Got to get the foundations right first before we can even get the correct plans in place. Implementing what we've spoken about over the last few days, we just got to take that first step. So if we can do that, 2, 3 years, 5 years down the track, we can be telling a story like some of the other farmers we've heard from over the last 2 days. There's been some quite inspiring stories, and the way it's been presented, it's just there's some really, the presentation's been fantastic. You've got people that are very successful in what they do, and it's quite. I can't rate it high enough. I really can't. I'm really excited. So I know like I said, there's so many things we can improve in our business, and it's exciting. It's very exciting. I'm going to tell my brother, who's our other business partner, him and his partner are going to come to one in the future. I just think it'd really open his eyes and get him a little bit in sync with where we are. But just do it. It's take that step, because it's worth every minute of the time you're here, and it's really opened our eyes. It's been fantastic.
Definitely come.
Yeah, definitely.
Give it a go.